Hey whales, good morning. Happy Monday. It's June the 9th. Let's recap the markets and go over Tesla for today. And for those that don't know me though, I'm a full-time trader. I do these updates every single day. And if you want my actual trades, guys, right, I give all my entries, targets, stop losses, everything here in Discord. For instance, on Friday, these were all winning trades for my day trades. This was for Oscar Health. Went right into the entry zones. You get the target, stop losses, everything here. For AST Space Mobile as well. Perfect entry zones, targets, everything. For Rocket Lab as well, entries, targets, everything here, right? So I already posted my day trade ideas for today. So come join Discord. You get all of that across companies like Tesla, Nvidia, all the high volume names across the board. So I look forward to trading alongside you. The link is in the bio for you to join. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into Tesla. So currently, right now, the main primary account that I have is that Tesla is in finished off a potential wave 1 impulse, and now working on a sort of corrective sequence here. And it does look like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 in red, and one more marginal low for a fifth wave, for an A wave before we go for a B, C down for a 2, and then higher for the next cycle. Okay, now surprise. The A wave could be in already, and we won't do a marginal new low, and we actually do something, something like this, right? Where we don't break the lows, we hold it, and then we go up, okay? But for me, I do like one more marginal new low to be taking place to break below all of these lows here. You can see from the left side, right? You have a lot of lows here. You have this low here that didn't get taken out yet. The reason why I like that is because from the past, guys, a lot of folks, they actually longed Tesla around these levels. And where did they put their stop loss? They put their stop loss right underneath here. So if that's the case, there's a lot of liquidity sitting right below where we are right now. And if we can get that marginal new low, right, it'll provide that liquidity that the big boys can fill up and then go higher here, okay? So that's why I like Tesla with one more sort of sub-wave down before up. But again, surprise, wave A could be in already, okay? So we'll just have to wait and see. But my theory is that we can go one more lower. And if that's the case, I do like that as a great buying opportunity. Now, if you take a look from the swing lows to the swing highs for Tesla, we did tick off a very technical level at the 272. So obviously this can be a wave A, but just from past experience, right? If it's too technical, if it's too good to be true, sometimes it is, right? But ultimately, all around this area makes sense for an opportunity if we do get a flush down today. So we'll have to see. Another thing that I like to take a look at is this ETF called XLY. So XLY is essentially the ETF that holds Tesla, Amazon, and everything here. And you can see we're working on a potential wave 1, 2. This looks like a 3, A, B, C, D, E, right? For a 4, and then 5 higher. So this is sort of what I like to see XLY do. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, right? To finish off a channel or a triangle before higher. So this sort of leg up, and you can see this is the main target at 226 for XLY. This leg up is this B wave for Tesla here. So from a timing perspective, it does make sense. Another ETF that I like to see is ARK as well. Okay, so for ARK, majority of their holdings is in Tesla as well. You can see we're starting to break higher. This is really good news. Okay, sort of channeled out. So again, wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Still working on a potential fifth wave higher for ARK. I take the swing highs onto the swing lows. Right, anywhere around this zone is where this wave 5 can finish. So with ARK, I'm looking, we got this large bounce, looking for a subwave down, okay, and then push higher for 5 waves. So this push down on ARK would be the same marginal new low on Tesla here from the 4 to the 5. Okay, so just from a timing issue, just from a time perspective, this is sort of what I'm looking at overall. So for me as a day trader, right, as coming from a sentiment in terms of a mindset, I'm still bullish overall, right? The weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, they're all bullish against the right side invalidation level here. So my bias is that I'm going to keep looking for long positions. Now, can the bottom be in? Of course, like I mentioned, yes. But if it does do a marginal new low, this is sort of exactly the setup that I look for, okay? Now, again, I'm in other potential day trades as well. I post all my day trades in Discord. So I have other opportunities coming up, like Tesla, right? So there's a lot of opportunities across high volume names like Rocket Lab, ASTS, Archer, Joby, right? All the great names here that have high, great volume. So again, come join Discord. I look forward to trading alongside you and making a lot of money together. Let's see what Tesla does, right? If it does make a marginal new low or not, I'm expecting a bounce for at least a B wave high, where it can actually take us, let's say, maybe around that 326, 340 level. All right. Have a great rest of your day. I'll update you guys every single day to make sure you're aware. See ya.